You wonder what is happening, who is typing. I am not typing. This is literally me, not anything basically. And if I were to show let me show my screen. See, nothing is happening, but it's typing. Anyway, how it's typing? Well, let me show you then. First, you need to understand that this is a code, literally code. I will go in here. You see it posted on Sung. So it is basically a script that I have created, which is reply X. You can get the whole open source code, and it runs, and it also stores it whole replies, comments that it posted on a series of history, so that you can access it if you want, and you can track performance, which got viral, which not, because that is more important part too. But setting this up was most important. What I did to set this up, as you can see, this is actual unassigned, it's unassigned profile basically. So I have the cookies, which was C0 and auth token, which I gave it to the model basically, and it just goes. This is Puppeteer script. It goes, searches, and then screenshots it, gives it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT generates it, and that is it. It works on its own. I can literally go and work on my actual shit instead of wasting time on going my personal brand. You can actually refine the script to work for you. You can literally do anything with the script, and it just goes, sets up your session, and you know it is not going to be detectable because it's a fresh session, just like you would open your whole new profile. What will take place if you were to this, just like this. Okay, there are guardrails, there are actually guardrails. Okay, and this AI follows that. So as you can see, this is waiting 6 minutes before the next comments. It randomized it. Before it was 5 minutes, and before that it was 10 minutes. Now it will post 100 comments within 24 hours, and I don't have to do anything. It will post, grow my audience, grow my followers. I got like 3 followers since I actually used it. It was like a few hours ago, and you can use it to grow your account. And the best part about it is it doesn't use too much of tokens, which is really good. I have customized this to use, even if you were to do it 400 posts, 500 posts, that will actually cost you around $2-3 literally. And yes, so it is around, I think, 30 to 50 bucks every single month if you were to actually go serious about your personal brand, doing like 1,000 or so, 3,000 basically replies to every single day, 3,000 replies to every single post. So that is around 100 every single day for 30 days. That will be 3,000, and that will be around 30 to 40 bucks you will have to spend on APIs. And I think if you were to use GPT-5, which is really cheap, as you can see, this is the post. And let me see. Okay, let me just keep on. Yeah, here we go. Founders keep asking. Sorry, it's getting a blur. I'm gonna just have to click this one. Okay, founders keep asking how much these videos cost. Okay, so this is actually so much less tokens. And this one, as you can see, this was a post worth commenting. It also checks what is worth commenting. I have made it so that it knows what I need to comment on. For example, it searches posts that are relevant to my niche so that I can comment and get me followers and into long-term clients and stuff like that. And this is worse. Like, you don't have to shut this down. Just whenever you wake up, just go ahead, run this every single day. It will work. And if for 12 hours you're actually using your computer, and if you're not using computer, just run it out cloud. It's literally simple. It will grow your followers like crazy. It will never be detected because it's actually using super massive guardrails that I have actually implemented. So not gonna get banned that easily. Okay, so this is it. I'm using this every single day. Frankly speaking, I just installed this today, but I was using a different system. But this one was the best I built. Now, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to use cloud. You don't have to use Comet, which actually has correlation, which actually stops. This runs forever, 24/7, 100 comments every single day. What else you need is ensuring that you choose the right model. Choose 4.5 for commenting, 4.5 Sonnet, and for getting the right text from the image that you're sending. Use 4.0 GPT. That is it. That is all you need. You can also use DeepSeek, but again, DeepSeek only when you're like super broke. You can afford 40-50 bucks a month for this to work. You can literally support this. You can literally do this. You don't have to spend time. This was actually dumb when you copy paste the comment to people. That is actually dumb. This strategy works. This strategy grows followers. This strategy gets you clients. This strategy actually works to get you what you want. And this is not something that a human that is started doing right now. This is literally just a script. That is it. Go and install the open source install the open source project. This is called ReplyX. You can even customize this to work for Reddit, Instagram, even literally anything you want, and that will not be detected, as I said, because it's using your actual token to install. I have not signed in X. This is actually just my cookies being used, nothing else. This is what makes it super interesting. And this security shit, just ignore it, because that just Chrome this giving warning that you're running a script shit like that, and you don't know the script. Don't run it, because that is just script. All right, but this is our script, okay? So I know, like, this is just a bullshit error. All right, so this is it in 6 minutes. This has been 6 minutes. Now you can see it commented on 5 posts, 100 posts to go, and here we go. This is again happening. Everyone's wondering. It replies on my tone, so that I don't have to do anything, literally. And again, I can show my hands here. I am not typing anything. Literally, this is my hands. Like, literally, you can see keyboard is here, and just keyboard is here, and this is being typed. Literally, keyboard is here, and this is being typed, as you can see there. You see? So this is actual true automation. This is actual true shit you should be doing. Okay, here we go. It was sent, and then it waits for 13 minutes. So you see, it is very, very flexible for scaling this shit, and you can literally use this every single day. I wonder why many people just use different automation tools, extensions that will actually get you banned, because X detects extension more better than just a script, which is using your cookies. Now, you cannot bet your cookies on a random extension. That's why you need to use this open source, so that you can actually control your cookies on your own. And then that is it. This is how you scale to thousands of followers without having to worry about anything, because it will comment on 100 posts. Even if you can customize this to do other than just comment, which is also posting and also reaching out to people. It can be anything, literally. And this is just for future, if you are trying to reach out, this is my one advice that you can take, which is using fresh session. Do not use cache session when sending a reply post to or lead to cloud or something like that. Have a better prompt so that it knows that it is doing outreach, not actually spamming people. Okay, that is it. That is my whole automation, and I hope you find well. The basically the open source project is in my description, and you can take a look. You can install it. You can store it, and be happy. I'll see you in the next video.